Hello friends, welcome to my channel and English. As you all know that yesterday we started a topic conjunction and we learned the uses of and, but, or, so. In conjunction, today we will learn 7 uses of for. Let's start the video. But first you should know that conjunction has 4 types. And we are learning about type 1 coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You can learn coordinating conjunction like this fan boys, in which F stand for, A stand for and, N stand for nor, B stand for but, then O stand for or, Y for yet, S for so. These all were our coordinating conjunction. Let's come to the use of for. First is duration of time. We use for the duration of time, as you can see here in examples. In this sentence we are talking about period of time or duration of time. He or she has been learning English for 2 months, so this is duration of time. Next is we were studied here for 2 years. Similarly, in this sentence we are also talking about the duration of time or period of time. Our third example is I have been holding it for a long time. For a long time, this is also a duration of time. Let's come to the second use. So for also used for purpose. So try to understand with the help of examples. Our first example is I called him for work. In this example, we are telling the purpose of call. Next is he baked a cake for his birthday. Here also we are telling the purpose of baking cake. Next is I am doing job for money. So purpose of doing job is earning money. Now come to the next use. Help or favor. We can also use it for help and favor. Like I did this for you. And next is I opened this window for you. So this is also telling about favor. Next is I am working hard for my children. So these all sentences are showing help or favor. Now fourth is for exchange. We can also use this conjunction for exchange. Like I bought this laptop for rupees 56,000. So this situation is showing us about exchange. He exchanged money for this laptop. Next is I gave him my books for notes. Similarly, this situation is also showing us about exchange, that he exchanged his book for notes. Next, he took the risk for his personal matter. He took risk for what? For his personal matter. Let's see fifth use of for. Use for benefits. So we can use this conjunction for our benefits. Like taking fresh air is good for your health. In this sentence we are talking about health benefit. Second is learning English is good for us. This sentence also talking about our benefit. If you learned English, so that is good for you. Next, raw vegetables are good for our eyes and health. This situation is also about health benefit. Now sixth use of for. Use for schedule. They scheduled interview for 10th of May. So it's all about schedule. Next is we took an appointment for 13th of July. It is also about schedule, that they scheduled their appointment on 17th of July. Next is he has scheduled meeting for Monday, August 8th. It is also telling about meeting schedule. After this we have function and use. We can also use it for function and use. Like the video is only for learning English. So what is the use of this video? The use of this video is learning English. This phone is used for call. This sentence is also telling about use or function. I use that computer for study. He used computer for study. I hope you understand the video and you will use it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.